Here's how to make gluten-free vegan sambusa. To make the filling, add all of the ingredients to a blender. The full recipe is written in the caption below, so check that out for the measurements. Blend that on high until it's completely smooth and creamy, and then add it to a saucepan. Bring that to your stove and then let it boil, making sure to stir constantly so that it thickens evenly. And once that happens, you can switch off the heat and then stir in your fresh mint leaves, and then set that aside to cool while you prepare your wrapper. To make that, whisk everything together until it's well combined, and then using 2 to 3 tablespoons at a time, cook it on both sides until it's slightly firm, and then you can cut them in half, add in a little bit of your filling, and then close the edges using your fingers to make a triangle. You can either bake those or air fry them until they're nice and crispy, and enjoy.
So good.